So once in a while you may run into this. For some reason the board cracked. Now maybe it was just a poor quality board. Maybe the way it was nailed just put too much pressure on it. I don't see a good reason here what caused this. And the crack does go all the way over here, so it tells me it's something to do with the board probably. And I didn't see any nails along here until I started nailing. So it wasn't like someone jammed one in here and just pushed it in too hard. Now there were some spots where nails were nailed and then taken out here, but still it wasn't that high. Maybe that was it. Although I doubt it, because it broke all the way over there. Either way, this happened. So the thing to do is to stabilize it the best you can. So what I mean by that is nail it really good, because you don't want this board moving every time the weather changes, because the caulking cannot hold that. So you need to stabilize as much as you can. So in my case, I put a nail here, a nail here. I didn't put one on this. It seems to be already in and tight. I could see this one was moving, but it's no longer moving. Now here I put one in, but I angled it down a lot. And the way the house is built, you have the studs and then you have 1 inch board, 1 inch of board, and then you have the siding. So by angling it down, you're going into that 1 inch a long ways. And then I nailed it tight. I didn't overdo it. And then I did the same thing over here. Now I slanted these this way and that way because it didn't seem to hit real good right here. Now this one hit good though, so there's a stud there, but maybe this is somewhat compromised underneath because of whatever was pulled out of here, a nail or I think a nail. Although I do know, well, this wouldn't have been it. There was a place where wires were attached, but I'm quite sure that was over here on the edge. So I've stabilized it. Again, I did another nail really slanted here. So it's good and solid. I push on it. I don't see any movement. And this one's already tight. Maybe I'll put another one in here and maybe another one in here with slanted. And then I'm going to caulk it. Because once it's stable and not moving, the caulk will seal it. Okay, so sometimes you got to use a bunch of extra nails, stabilize the siding so it's going to hold.